Pennsylvania, Armstrong, Butler, and Lawrence. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Mercer County in northwestern Pennsylvania, central Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, west central Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, southwestern Clarion County in west central Pennsylvania, until 8 p.m. At 7:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Slippery Rock, or 8 miles south of Grove City, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source: radar. Impact: expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include New Castle, Butler, Grove City, Reimersburg, Homaker, Glendora, Shanner, Northview, Meridian, Slippery Rock, Meadowood, Oak Hills, Oakwood, New Castle Northwest. This includes the following highways: Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 92 and 117. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 19. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at